everybody. Today we are back in Prai area. Actually we are in Bagan Lalang. I'm here to have a special Char Koay Teow. They call it Lao Jia Char Koay Teow here. The specialty here is they have a lot of I think extra ingredients you can call like prawns and cockles. So they also have the normal one. So let's go and check it out. So this is the way in, and you see the shop is on the left. It's actually a house but they're selling the Char Koay Teow outside. Looks like it's an old housing area here with some nice coconut trees and stuff around. So the shop is off the main Bagan Lalang road. It's actually quite near to Ong Cheng Huat. It's just a house and they have a stall here. I'll put the link in the Google Map link in the description below. Yeah, it's frozen. Is that sugarcane juice? They also have sugarcane juice, Lao Kwa, and what's the one? Kiat Hua, chrysanthemum tea. So refreshing. It's so hot right now. It's about 250.
And it's 500.
We were here at about 2:30, so we've been waiting about 20 minutes. So just be a bit patient and come in and eat. Usually, when we came here, it was pretty full. Hey, what's that, Nami? Oh, so no chili, huh?
No, it's
Normal one. Thank you. Smells pretty good, right?
Yeah.
No chili. Must have chili girls. Got chili better
Huh? Okay, never mind. You eat first, I eat first. But the ham is very yummy.
The ham is yummy. Why you like sea ham so much? How come you and your sister so different? Your sister doesn't like sea ham.
But the prawn is nice.
You like prawns, but you don't like sea ham. You like prawns and sea ham. Ew! Wow, this one is the normal one with chili, right? That's for mommy. For mommy.
Wow, it's inside.
Faster, try, makan. Good Mine so long, mine not check here yet.
Does it want extra ham?
Yeah. All for me, the ham is all for me. Of course not. Only the child who takes care of me when I'm old will have extra. What?
I don't want ham.
Give prawn. Useless kids. Oh, okay, coming already. This is mine, thank you. Now, wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Hey, no, wait, no. Wow, look at this, guys. There's an egg, 5 prawns. This one is 16.50. 16.50 extras, the cockles and the Koay Teow also smells really good. I need to eat this pretty quick. Elsa, you want some of this, is it?
Yes.
Okay, no.
Is it spicy?
Yes,
Very?
a little bit. It's okay. Let me try. Hey, stop stealing my food. Wow. Oh, see the egg. Wow. Wow. This is gonna be really, really good. And dip the prawn in the egg. Oh, I gotta eat this. Oh, looks like it's difficult for me to eat because everybody is stealing my extra stuff. Can I eat first before you all take all my things? I have nothing left to eat.
That's right. I should call this Char Koay.
Go, one more.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. Oh, so good, so good. Yeah, really. The food there by itself is actually really good already lah. But if you order these ingredients, nowadays in most stores in Penang, they give you so little cockles lah. It's been a long while since I've eaten so many cockles at one go. The cream, the eggs, the sunny side up egg is also quite very creamy. Love the bread coming here to eat. A bit hot, but they're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. Other than that, it's open from 11 to I think 6 p.m. Today is a Saturday, so it's pretty crowded. So come and try if you're around Bagan Lalang area on the mainland. It is really, really good stuff.
Spicy.
Okay, so the one I ordered is 16.50. It's an even bigger plate with more cockles and more prawn, which is I think the biggest one is 26 ringgit. So maybe I'll try that the next time. But 16.50 is a pretty good amount of noodles and the seafood. Also, okay, that was a pretty good meal. It's about 3:25 now, so be prepared to wait about half an hour for your meal. I think it's quite worth it. Something different. How much was it total, Nami? Yeah, so the normal plate was 6 ringgit, right? Yeah, the normal plate is 6 ringgit. It comes with 2 prawns and also a few cockles. So if you're not a big eater, not a fan of seafood, then get the normal one. Quite good, high standard for Char Koay Teow in Penang. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.